gonna do what I want. I can kill anyone. I can't really, but you know.
You can. You've done it so far.
Do you want the fire aspect? Because I really don't want to knock back.
I might as well take it, like one of us might as well use it.
Yeah, sure. It would probably cost a lot of levels for me to get it anyway, so guess that you have it. Ah, fuck. Who was his teammate?
He was with Harry.
Craft is a really good player. I mean, he hasn't played much recently,
but still, like, he's
pretty strong.
Yeah. I always feel bad for those type of deaths where it's just like not like, because it constantly happens to me, like that sort of dying without a fight.
Yeah.
Like, all I want is just to, you know, have good footage for my viewers.
I'm not sure if Craft hit me or not. He might have hit me with a low power shot. You know.
Yeah.
I found more plains, more forest, crafting table. Potential player nearby.
Maybe.
Some chunks right here. Quick scan so I don't get knocked in. Really don't feel like firing back out. I don't have any blocks. Yeah, no one's been down in these chunks, dude. There's a crafting table right here. Ooh, interesting. You know what would make me even more overpowered?
What?
Enderpearls.
Oh dear God.
Imagine if I just had like 7 of them or something.
I just took damage.
That's okay, Lord. I can heal you up. I actually need to kill someone else because I want more gold to make this overhead. You've got gold, don't you?
3 gold.
I mean, that's enough. I've got 5.
Okay.
4 unsmelted, but you know. What's being late is. Doubt I'll be able to find
No,
him.
he's in your world, so.
Yeah. I see someone. There's a flower, never mind. It's a peony and it was only the top half of it. So it looked like someone shifting in the grass. I just realized there's a 0-0 in this world.
Oh, no, skeleton, no.
I'm still a bit shaky. If I have to bow fight someone, I feel like I'm not going to do very well.
Hopefully you won't have to.
I can just keep like getting good luck with people like just pulling up as I'm there.
Honestly,
That's
I'm trying not to
pretty
come
much
back up. Like, and if I do, I'm not coming up in a chunk.
Yeah. What Ted did. I think that he did do that.
Like, I'd rather come up. Oh shit! Okay, skeleton. That just scared the fuck out of me. Okay, no, that hurt. That hurt.
As long as you're not dead,
No, not yet.
you're never gonna die.
Heroes never die.
Yeah, never die. Yeah, never die. Chop down trees here, a bit. Ate quite a bit. A while ago. They completely decayed actually. Might be a name I just saw, I'm sure.
I'm scared, Speed. I just heard mobs dying, but I think it was just to environment.
Hopefully.
No! No, 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 no. No, I can see someone's name.
Run, just get out. No
The
point
Rock
fighting.
Project, The Rock Project. What's he on? He's on 4.
Oh, he's on 4, you kill him, Lord, please. Do it. He don't play much Ultra, I don't think. Probably kill him, maybe. Unless you freeze, which would be. You'll be able to get him.
No, he's sleeping! He's sleeping!
Yes. Sleeping?
I got him!
He did?
Oh!
What?
Yeah, I got him, I got him.
Oh. That's what you
No, I just lost Enderpearls!
No, it's okay, it's okay. Lord, as long as you're alive. Okay,
Yeah,
stay
I got
alive.
Enderpearls, I got Enderpearls.
Nice. Stay alive, Lord, right now. That's all you need to do.
He just dropped down right next to me. I have gold for a head.
Nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna run to the corner of this map. That's where people would go down.
He was just...
Yes, Lord, what a kill!
He nearly split me out the world as well.
Oh my god. Expected something from that.
I'm just gonna hide in a wall here for a moment. I just need to calm down.
Yeah. What I really need to do, but no problem, still playing. That becomes 4 AM as well.
I've got 2 ender pearls as well.
Nice. Well, we're actually doing okay. We can just kill more people before meetup, that'd be great.
He wasn't enchanted.
Wasn't?
Nah, or he wasn't very enchanted.
I see red name. I see Hoppy.
Hoppy is on 4.5.
No, there's no way. There's no safe way down from.
Kid just messaged me. You rude man. He just like dropped down next to me.
I go down for him. I try to kill him.
Only if you can get down there safely, Speed. You've got a lot of stuff.
It's really hard to. It's like a lava ravine pouring into it. So but I need to kill Hoppy.
You do.
Bro, be by himself. Yes.
Okay.
I could jump down, hold space, and then shift immediately.
He's on 4.5. So
his name is pretty far away, so I just jump down.
If you think you can do it.
Yeah. Might just dig down to him honestly instead of flying to him. I'm gonna do it. I'm digging down to him.
Oh my god.
We need to kill. Why just took damage on that E?
Gwet's fighting.
That is cool. Who died? Tommy.
Tommy.
Apparently something was directly below me. Yeah. Oh, he healed up a lot.
No, don't go for it then.
Okay, I'm going back up, yeah. If he comes up, I'll find him maybe.
I'm so sorry.
That's okay, Lord. Didn't do anything bad.
I killed him.
Oh? He tried to kill you.
Like, he was just spleefing when I got down there, and it's like, what are you doing?
I see him. He might be trying to. He might be about to pillar up. Oh, he's pillaring up, Lord.
If you can get him. If you can get him.
Yeah, right now. Uh huh. Be in a diamond chest, buddy.
I'm just sitting here watching Tab.
Hit him.
Yep. 5.5?
It's not worth jumping down, is it?
No.
Got him.
4?
Pouring water down.
Just be careful he doesn't spleef you.
Yeah, I'm not going to go on. I'm not touching the slime blocks. My heart's beating so fucking much.
Are you still fighting him?
He's stinging. Yeah.
My legs are shaking now. I'm not sure if it's because I'm cold.
What's he at?
He's on 4. I don't know how long is left of the episode either. He's on 3.5? 2? 1.5? Dead!
He just...
Oh.
He fell... He glitched under obsidian.
Oh.
Oh. Sucks.
Alright. I'm guessing it's almost the end of the episode. I don't want to try anything.
He didn't even know who it was.
Oh, didn't he?
He's just been saying, was it you?
Oh.
Okay, well, that's a strong player down. I wish I got
That's
that kill though.
technically 3 kills for you. Oh, Etios is... Oh, dear God!
That's in my world.
Yeah, and Stelios took no damage.
Really? Jeez. I wish I should have just jumped down and killed him.
Nah.
I've done it so much better. Oh well. I don't even know how he managed to put something forward.
Oh, I just peel it up right next to a creeper.
Oh. Was he alive?
I'm alive. I didn't take any damage from it.
Yeah.
How long till scatter?
7 minutes.
Okay.
I think. I'm not 100% sure. But then the next episode is.
I'm gonna say around 5, like preparing for 5. Oh god. Okay, lots of zombies. Lots of zombies. Oh, lots of zombies.
What?
Was that a zombie that hit me? Okay. Heads heal free, right?
Yeah, I had no idea.
Kid, can you message kids to check my inventory?
Oh, interesting. Why do you want them to check them?
So Fawn's leather chest plate and Feather Falling 2 protection. Feather Falling 3 protection 2 leather boots.
Oh, yeah, no. Someone caved right here as well. Thingy name. Damn, it just sped past me. Hot. Shaky. If I ate something, I wouldn't be shaky.
Can you dig yourself into a hole for like 7 minutes?
I think I see where someone built like a little castle for themselves. Well, that's a village, I'm not sure. It's just a village, no one built it.
I was gonna say, who would build themselves a castle?
No, it's like a little portion of a tree type thing.
Yeah.
Like what it was. I just said castle because that's what it looks like. There's multiple void chunk things missing. Village. Directly in the middle. Or this blocks this way, someone went this way. Unfollowed trails of people. Thanks, Steph would be pretty. I should really be going down and getting gold.
I've got 7 on me.
We could have a lot more if I went down, but around with a lot of people. Someone caved, little caving position here. Someone will be caving up by the wall.
I really hope this doesn't fail.
What?
This season.
Yeah,
I think
hope
it's been good, but you know, that's because we've had good luck.
I mean, it's not like anyone's died in any bullshit way, but
No, but
there's a lot of stuff happening on tab.
Oh!
Awesome.
Oh! Grabs on a hard and half. Oh! Steph, is Steph poison again?
Oh my god. No mister, like, control it's up looking out the misery.
Seriously.
I think I spelled misery wrong. Oh well. Pretty sure I spelled misery wrong. Oh well.
Gweb just healed all the way back up.
Oh, Steph's not in my world.
No, Steph's in mine.
It was.
But it's too late. Like, I wouldn't be able to find it by now.
Yeah. Oh, I'm good. Huh.
Did Sam die? Ah, he turned out. Oh no. I hope Sam comes back.
Yeah. Right.
I got more gold.
Nice. Gotta make another head. Look at me, a tide from my skills right now.
I can make
Oh,
Gapple as well.
Laying fell.
He did it as well, didn't he? It's so funny watching people do it.
Oh my god, it's so good.
No. Alright, I've got
That's not
18
big,
levels. Please tell me like you got plenty of books in that.
I have 42.
Oh, good.
I might have just seen a player run past my screen. I think it was just a wall. No, that's definitely a player in 3 Calls Diamond.
Who? Do you know?
I only saw the body, I don't. Oh. It's Mad Singer. Should I fight him?
What's he on? What's he on? What's he on? He's on 9.5.
In 3 Calls Diamond. I could fight him, maybe. What do you think? I mean, he's climbing up a mountain, he's far away right now.
I would not risk it.
Yeah, I
Like,
can't really find him.
Yeah, we're that close to TPing.
That's true. Unless I find like, I don't know, it's just not on my world.
Alright, how much gold have you got?
I have 5.
Okay, I'm gonna make a Gapple.
Make sure you have 3, you can make a head.
Yeah, I've got 6 left.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, I'm just gonna stay put till like TP at the well, just gonna roller coast. Like, I'm not gonna risk anything at the moment. I'm too scared. I just want to be back with you. And
I'm at 80.51, so let's get a Gapple.
80.5. Sure. And apparently Sam's not coming back.
Yeah. Heck yeah, 100. Do 100, please.
Oh no, poor Steph.
Aww. Aww.
Not like they were going to do well at meetup anyway. I'm emptying out my inventory now before meetup. Oh, don't need the power book.
It's really cold. Where's that? I think I've just found Sankakkei again. 3 Calls Diamond, that's who it was. I ain't fighting. Not yet, anyway. I should be happy so far. Yeah, like any second now, pretty much. Maybe in like a minute.
Okay, I just grabbed my furnaces just in case. I was only smelting iron, but I have 19 levels.
19. Oh, you can proper. All the other books stuff on. There's gold in this. I might just jump down. Here is.
Nope, that's it.
Yeah, okay, too late. See you guys next
See you next time.